In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious watermelon smoothie recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of watermelon, 3/4 cup of strawberry, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. In a blender, add in the watermelon, strawberries, lemon juice, and honey, and blend until completely smooth. Pour our smoothie out into a glass cup. Our watermelon smoothie is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.